I see a king, a uniter of clans, who will forge a mighty kingdom. By unifying our clans, we forge a new destiny. We shall be known as Burundi. A king shall be born, Ntare Rugamba, a fighter who will secure our kingdom's future. Hear the prophecy, my people. A new lion will rise.
We must devise a plan.
For Burundi.
Attack!
We are one.
Forward! For Burundi! La bataille fait rage. Fumée, poussière, cris de guerre.
The kingdom is regaining peace, and its greatness is spoken of everywhere.
Your labor and these coffee beans now belong to the Belgian crown. Your compliance is expected.
We are here to reclaim what is ours. Our land, our dignity.
Today, Burundi is free. Today, we celebrate our independence. Today we mark a new chapter for Burundi. This agreement signifies our collective commitment to peace and a unified future.
We need justice. This corruption cannot continue.
They ban our market. They take our hope.
My brothers and sisters, today we rise. We rise for our freedom, for our future, against the oppressors.
For freedom, for Burundi, we fight!
My fellow citizens, today marks a new dawn for Burundi. We urge everyone to remain calm and united. This peace we have is a gift. May it last forever.
To brotherhood
and to Burundi. Amen.
Let's enjoy this blessing.
Together, we are building a new Burundi, a beacon of Pan-African unity. My people, together we have built this future, and together we will continue to prosper.